Tired of coding in the dark ages? Meet Zed, your new coding superhero. Sleek, intuitive, and packed with power. Zed's interface is a coder's dream. Split screens, customizable themes, and lightning-fast navigation. It's like having a personal assistant for your code. Forget about typos and syntax errors. Zed's got your back with intelligent code completion and real-time syntax highlighting. Write cleaner, faster code with less hassle. Your code elevated. Stay tuned for a full installation guide. Let's get started by installing it. We're going to use a simple one-liner to streamline the process. Copy this script, display script on screen, head over to your terminal, paste it in, and hit enter. While we wait for the download to finish, let's take a moment to appreciate the simplicity of this method. Once the installation is complete, you'll find Zed conveniently located in your Applications menu. To verify everything is working as expected, open your terminal and type which Zed. This will display the installation path, confirming that Zed is ready to rock. Let's give Zed a spin. Opening the editor feels incredibly snappy. One of the first things you'll notice is how easy it is to customize your workspace. The theme switcher is a breeze. Zed is still under development, but it already boasts a solid foundation of extensions. From Git integration to language support, you've got the essentials covered.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit.
And check out this built-in terminal. It's a game changer for productivity. Let's supercharge Zed with GitHub Copilot. Click on the Copilot icon and select Sign In. We'll walk through the authorization process together in a moment. A verification code will pop up. Head over to your browser, paste the code, and authorize the connection. Once confirmed, we'll be redirected back to Zed.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did I know it hurts.
There, you'll see a success message indicating that Copilot is now integrated. Zed's Assistance panel is where the magic happens. Here you can interact with various AI models, including GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, and Claude. Some models require API keys, but Copilot is ready to go thanks to your existing subscription. Let's test it out with a classic, print Hello World using Python.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test.
Watch as Copilot suggests the complete code. Impressive, right? Zed isn't just about the editor. It's about your entire workflow. You can launch Zed directly from the terminal using the Zed command. Whether you're on Arch Linux like me or another distribution, the experience is consistent. Let's open a Next.js project to see Zed in action. Notice how quickly it opens and how it automatically handles LSP packs for different languages. The syntax highlighting is on point, and Git integration provides valuable insights. Plus, Copilot suggestions are always there to assist you. That's it for today's deep dive into Zed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more coding adventures. Thanks for watching.
I know it hurts.